In this video, we will review Instantly.AI, going over the pros, cons, pricing and more. Instantly.AI stands out for its cold email automation space, for its robust feature set and emphasis on scalability. One of its biggest strengths, users frequently highlight, is its built-in email warm setup feature that operates automatically and supports multiple inboxes and significantly reduces the risk of your email ending up in the spam folder. This warm-up functionality is especially valuable to smaller businesses or solo entrepreneurs who manage outreach at scale, removing the need for third-party warm-up tools. Another key advantage is its AI email writing capabilities, which allows for quick personalization and efficient campaign building, saving users hours of manual work and labor. The platform also offers a massive built-in lead database with millions of contacts, making prospects faster and more efficient to contact. For users who want an all-in-one solution, from lead sourcing to sending emails and tracking results, Instantly.AI simplifies the process within a single interface. The platform delivers powerful tools, enables businesses to automate and scale their outreach effectively. Despite its strengths, Instantly.AI has garnered criticism in several different areas, particularly around support and transparency. One common complaint amongst users is that customer support teams can be slow to respond or even unhelpful when technical issues will arise. Some users even report feeling misled by the platform's pricing or even refund policy, with several citing instance or surprise charges or even being unable to cancel or downgrade their plans easily. In addition, while the AI-generated emails are helpful, they sometimes produce content that lacks nuance or authenticity, requiring manual edits to assure that it sounds natural. Deliverability can also be inconsistent. Some users have noted that even with warmed inboxes, email opens and reply rates can suffer if the campaigns are not carefully managed by many users. Furthermore, while the lead database is vast, the quality can vary, with some users reporting outdated or irrelevant contacts. These shortcomings mean that while Instantly.AI offers great potential, it may also require additional oversight or caution before you deliver consistent results. Pricing. Instantly.AI uses a tiered pricing model that scales with features, access and email volume needed. Its basic plan typically targets as individuals or users or even smaller teams. It's priced competitively, offering core automation tools and A/B testing, which are locked behind higher paid tier plans, which can quickly increase your monthly costs. Some users find that the jump between plans are very steep, especially when features that are considered essential are only available at premium levels. There has also been a complaint that regarding billing practices such as automatic renewals, unclear credit systems, which can all lead to unexpected charges for the user, if not carefully monitored. While the pricing may still offer good value for many different businesses running high-volume outreach, it's important to read the fine print and fully understand what's included in each tier. Users are encouraged to begin with a lower tier plan and scale up if and when they need to for their business. One of the more appealing aspects of Instantly.AI is its user-friendly interface, which makes setting up and managing email campaigns relatively simple. Even for users with limited technical knowledge, the onboarding process is straightforward, and many users report being able to launch their first campaign within a short amount of time. The dashboard is easy to navigate and clean, with clearly labelled features and intuitive automation workflows, email templates and AI written assistance. The dynamic variables help streamline the email creation process, and real-time analytics provide visibility into open rates, replies and overall performance. However, while the interface is generally smooth, there can be performance lags while managing the larger contact list or even more complex campaigns. Additionally, some more complex features require a bit more of a learning curve, particularly for users unfamiliar with domain warming up practices or inbox management. Still, for most users, Instantly.AI delivers a solid balance of power and simplicity. Instantly.AI competes in a crowded marketplace of cold email tools with more notable alternatives including SmartLead, SalesHandy, Mailshake, Apollo, and more. Compared to these, Instantly.AI excels in combining lead sourcing, email warm-up, campaign automation into one centralized platform. SmartLead is often seen as a better fit for agencies due to its more advanced inbox management and client handling features, While Apollo tends to be preferred in more robust CRM capabilities and cleaner intelligence tools, Mailshake and Lemist offer easier integration with other sales tools and features, offering deliver better personalization. Sales Handy is frequently praised for its affordability and streamlined marketing campaigns. While Instantly.AI holds its own in terms of ease of use and depth of functionality, it somewhat can fall short in customer support and transparency. Businesses choosing between these options should consider specific outreach volume, team size, support expectations before making a better choice. Overall, Instantly.AI is a powerful, cold outreach platform that appeals to users looking for an all-in-one solution. It simplifies the email marketing process by bundling campaigns and automation, lead discovery, AI-driven email campaign writing, and deliverable management all in one easy-to-use interface. For smaller businesses or startups looking to scale quickly, it provides core functionality needed to run high-volume outreach with minimal overhead. However, its drawbacks such as inconsistent support, billing concerns, and gated features may be frustrating for users who expect seamless service. While the product evolves and includes advanced capabilities, it still requires careful setup and maintenance to achieve the best results. For teams who can limit and also help, Instantly.ai offers strong value and efficiency, but for those who need more flexibility in pricing, robust support or better deliverable tools, exploring competitors may lead to more satisfying long-term solutions. As a business expands, the ability to manage multiple inboxes, automate sequences and track performance across multiple campaigns becomes increasingly critical. Instantly.ai addresses these challenges by offering tools that are both accessible and efficient, particularly for teams operating without a large tech stack or tech developers full-time. The platform's automation capabilities reduces manual effort, typically required for outreach, allowing sales, marketing professionals to focus more on strategy, lead nurturing, and creating a good product. Moreover, the inclusion of AI-generated content and integrated one-more features reflects a platform's forward-thinking approach to improving your deliverables and conversion rate. Still, the prospective user should evaluate their needs carefully, as success of Instantly.ai largely depends on how well its features align with an organization's workflows and volumes demanded. For many, it serves a dependable bridge between early-stage outreach and enterprise-level sales automation. Thanks for watching. Now you know Instantly.ai honest review. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.